Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create task templates in Asana. So let's get started. Open Asana and navigate to the project you want to work on. From the right top corner, click on Customize. From the list, you will see Task Template options. Click on Add Task Template. Once you are here, you can add a name for your template. You can assign it to your team member, set a due date, and add to your project. Customize it based on your needs. After completing, click on Done. So here you go. Your task template is ready. So here you go. Your task template is ready. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.